Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Want to start selling your products on Temu? There's a simple step-by-step guide. First of all, open the application and make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Make sure to open the browser, not the application. After that, search your Temu Seller Center. Temu Seller Center. Then you will find this. Click on this. After that, you need to enter a phone number and a password to sign up. After that, submit required documents like business license or ID for verification. Then you can set up your store. Add your store name, logo and description to attract the buyers. And you can also upload the products. Add products with titles, description, images and prices. Make sure your listings are clear and accurate. And set shipping and policies. Define shipping options, return policies and handling time for your products. Publish and manage orders. Once approved, your products go live. Monitor orders in the seller dashboard and ship items on time. And that's how you start selling on Temu. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and check out my other e-commerce tips for more ways to grow your online business. And I'll see you in the next one.